The origins of pressure cooking.
The story of fast cooking began in the 17th century with Denis Papin, a French physicist who invented the first pressure cooker. His steam digester used high pressure to cook food faster and more efficiently. Although initially a curiosity, Papin's idea set the foundation for future innovations in home and industrial kitchens.
Pressure cookers become household essentials.
By the early 20th century, pressure cookers entered everyday kitchens. After World War II, improved designs offered safety features and durable materials. These stovetop cookers saved time and energy, rapidly tenderizing tough cuts of meat and preserving nutrients, quickly turning them into beloved kitchen tools around the world.
Challenges and limitations of classic models.
Despite their popularity, traditional pressure cookers had drawbacks. Steam, high pressure, and safety concerns meant users needed caution. Releasing pressure took time, and settings often relied on guesswork. As a result, some home cooks avoided them, waiting for a simpler solution for fast and convenient meals.
The rise of the Instant Pot and digital multi-cookers.
In the 2010s, digital multi-cookers like the Instant Pot revolutionized pressure cooking. These devices combined multiple functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, and more within a single user-friendly appliance. Digital controls and built-in safety mechanisms eliminated much of the guesswork, attracting new generations to fast, hands-off cooking.
Shaping the future of fast cooking.
Pressure cookers and instant pots have transformed how people cook, making nutritious meals quicker and easier to prepare. From Papin's steam digester to today's programmable multi-cookers, each innovation reflects changing lifestyles. As technology advances, the quest for safe, efficient, and flavorful cooking continues to inspire new possibilities.